Page 140, The Glowworm, very famous melody. A lot of different piano arrangements on this one. I used to really love this when I was a kid because I don't remember the arrangement I had, but it was just fun to play. I played it a lot. But this is a lead sheet. This is where you have the melody and the chords, but then you got to make up everything else. So first, make sure you can do the melody okay. We're in C major, no sharps or flats except for the accidentals. And we're starting up here. So it's 1 and 2. The thumb here. 2, 3. Thumb. Watch out. Fingering. 2, thumb. Fourth finger there on 7. Measure 7. Now, I recommend a third finger there for measure 8, the last note. They say thumb, but you're going to use fourth finger on the next one, so just use third finger. They give you the alternate fingering there. I recommend third finger for that note. So again, measure 8 is this. Here, and then go on. So fourth, let's go down to the last line. Measure 13, you're here. Now fermate you hold out until you think it's wonderful, and then you go on, and you can do the 2, the 1, 2. I don't like that. I would prefer just to reach down with second finger. I don't need to cross over the thumb. And the fingering style I use is I don't cross over the thumb unless I have to, and I don't have to here. So once you have that, now we check and make sure, do we know the chords? Well, you got a C chord and just block chords, and then this, or one chord in C major, and a 5/7 is a 5/7 chord, G7. C chord, G7. Go down to the bottom. Use C chord and then F chord, which is the 4 chord. The primary chords. Okay, we can do that. Now try putting them together. And first I just do block whole notes. Forth, so do that, and then we can go back and try different patterns for the left hand. This is where you get to be creative. Use your imagination. What kind of patterns do you have? Well, they give you a pattern over on page 141 in the middle of this, broken chords. So you can try that with that. One way of doing it. You could try alternating. You don't have to just, I can go back and forth. What's that? Whatever. Maybe it's just this broken, that's 4 notes in there. There's all kinds of patterns. It's up to your imagination of what you come up with. You don't have to do quarter notes. You can change this. So, change the rhythm around. Experiment it. Play around with it. As long as it sounds okay, it is okay. Go with it. It's fine. Maybe a combination of quarter notes and eighth notes, a combination of half notes and quarter notes. And these, you don't have to play these chords in this area. You can move around a little bit. You could, whatever you want to do.